Headline news for Thursday, January 27th from the Westchester County Business Journal, Fairfield County Business Journal, and WestFairOnline.com. Peter Katz reporting. Real gross domestic product increased 5.7% in 2021, in contrast to a decrease of 3.4% in 2020, according to statistics released this morning by the U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis. Measured in current dollars, GDP increased 10%, or $2.1 trillion in 2021, to a level of $22.99 trillion. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer of New York says that President Biden's nominee to replace retiring Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer will receive a prompt hearing in the Senate Judiciary Committee and then will be brought to the floor of the Senate with what Schumer calls all deliberate speed. Biden said he intends to fulfill his campaign pledge to nominate a black woman to the court. As we reported yesterday it would, the Federal Reserve has provided clues about what it will be doing with interest rates. A statement released yesterday said, quote, with inflation well above 2% and a strong labor market, the committee expects it will soon be appropriate to raise the target range for the federal funds rate. Observers expect the first interest rate increase in March. Former Alaska governor and vice presidential candidate Sarah Palin, who has refused to be vaccinated and tested positive for COVID, was seen eating at a Manhattan restaurant, Elio's. Palin has been in Manhattan for the start of a court case in which she is suing the New York Times for libel. The court action was postponed because of her having COVID. Stamford resident Mustafa Diakati has pleaded guilty to a federal charge of wire fraud on account of making an illegal monetary transaction in connection with improperly obtaining $4 million in federal COVID relief funds. He was released on a $450,000 bond and is due for sentencing April 21st. One charge carries a maximum penalty of 10 years in prison, the other 30 years. Southwest Airlines reports net income for 2021 of $977 million and a net loss of $1.3 billion for the year. Stay in touch with the Westchester County Business Journal, Fairfield County Business Journal, and WestFairOnline.com.